It all began when some aggrieved members of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, through an originating summons filed by their counsel, sought an order to restrain Uche Secondus from parading himself as a member of the PDP or national chairman of the party or participate in any activity of the PDP while on suspension pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice for interlocutory injunction. The claimants had in a 16-paragraph affidavit argued that having been suspended for anti-party activity by the PDP at his ward and affirmed by the local government and state chapters of the party, Secondus has lost the right to function in any capacity as a member of the party or be allowed to contest or recontest any election while still on suspension. But in a counter-affidavit, counsel to Uche Secondus raised a preliminary objection challenging the jurisdiction of the court to hear the matter, arguing that no court has the right to dabble in the internal affairs of a political party. Secondus, who described the suit as an abuse of judicial process, also contended that as national chairman of the PDP, only the party's National Executive Committee can suspend him. Delivering judgment on the matter, Justice OKOGBULE said by his interpretation of the issues, Delivering judgment on the matter, Justice OKOGBULE said by his interpretation of the issues, the suit is not predicated on issues relating to the position of Uche Secondus as national chairman of the PDP, but as a card-carrying member of the party in the first place. He said Secondus has till date not filed any counter-affidavit to dispute the claims which led to his suspension. Justice GBASAM therefore agreed with the claimants that the suspension of Uche Secondus is valid, subsistent, and has consequently lost his rights and privileges. He further upheld the order of perpetual injunction restraining Secondus from parading himself as a member of the PDP or national chairman of the party or performing any other functions while he remains suspended. Justice OKOGBULE also ruled that Article 59, subsection 3 of the PDP Constitution, as amended in 2017, be expunged because the section which states that only the National Executive Committee of the party can discipline the national chairman and any other national officer is against the law of natural justice.
The good news is that we have a right of appeal, and I have my client's instruction to do so. And even as I'm talking to you, we've already compiled the records.
Today, the court has given us a judgment against his anti-party activities. Anything he feels like he's doing, we are ready and waiting for him.